How common is breast cancer? According to the World Health Organization, breast cancer is the most common form of cancer among women in the world. In fact, 1 in 8 women will be diagnosed with breast cancer in their lifetime. Luckily, most breast cancer is extremely treatable when caught early, which is where self-exams come in. How often should you self-check for breast cancer? So the goal is to check yourself once a month. Ideally, perform the exam a week after the end of your cycle when your breasts are their least swollen. However, if it's easier to remember to do it on a specific date, just go with that. One of the biggest blocks to self-checks is fear. If that sounds like you, remember this. Most cancer that's caught early is very treatable. You can do this. How can I check myself for breast cancer? So step 1 is check yourself out. Examine your breasts in the mirror for any visual abnormalities like lumps or sudden changes to the shape or nipples. Step 2, put one hand behind your head and the other on your breast using 3 fingers. You're gonna make little circles with varying degrees of pressure, and you're gonna drag your fingers across your breast to get to the next spot instead of picking it up or lifting to maximize coverage. Step 3, and this is important, don't forget the armpits. The underarm and side boobs are important spots to examine, so don't neglect them in your self-check. This is actually where your lymphatic system is, so it's a very common place for cancer to develop. Step 4, end with a nipple squeeze. If there's any pain or discharge, see a doctor right away.